Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Jukes and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we sell our program, for here we bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Serie A, and the rest of the world. For now, we'll start with Arsenal Football Club. On my radio official say Lionel Messi don't win in 7th Ballon d'Or yesterday when they do the occasion for France. So a lot of things, people don't talk plenty things, a lot of controversy. So why they don't give Lewandowski, say Lewandowski perform better than Messi collect first, even though he no play anything, he don't go PSG, waiting win, only Copa America and win. Plenty talking points they happen for this one. And for me, I no go lie for you personally, I would like make Lewandowski winner because the guy don't think we don't do hustle for this thing. And as he no win last season, no win this season, when he won't come win him again. That's the problem. Even Ronaldo said letting no go the occasion because Ronaldo finished I think 7th. Even Mbappe said the para saying finish within at 9th. Plenty people just the para. But at least the second person, Lewandowski, well, they very happy. I think Jorginho was the 3rd. Then some kind of people did there. Well, wish them all the best. I hope so. One day, maybe we will see one Arsenal player for 10. Who knows? Another thing where they bust my brain be say for social media, many people can't escape goats Odegaard. They can't talk say for all the people wey Arsenal just sign out for all the 6 players, say the only person wey never really play well na him be Odegaard. Even some pundits sef don dey single the guy out, come dey criticize am say he no fit for Arteta puzzle. So wetin Arteta wan do for this season, say the guy no good for the team. But wetin me I wan dey talk be say, is it right to criticize this guy say he no dey good? I go suppose to dey talk say make dem give am enough playing time. Watch out Sambi Lokonga. Imagine say when him dey do all those mistakes, they come comot am. She go get that confidence now, when they develop, when they play the way they play. Another good example sef na him be Tavares. See the mistakes wey Tavares dey do. Okay, imagine the one wey he do against Liverpool. Imagine say dem no come play am again against the next opponent. Shame for play well the way he take play. So these are some of the talking points wey be say if you check the way Tavares dey play against Newcastle, you go see say the guy play very well. So why not make dem give Odegaard more playing time, make this guy continue to dey play so that we go see how good he can become. Don't forget that this guy is just 22 years old. I mean, the reason am the way me I tell the reason am. I will not follow for those wey dey subscribe to the line of thought wey be say Odegaard is not good for Arsenal. I will not believe say he is good, but he should be given more game time. Let me know for the comment section. One of our monitoring spirits wey they call Gianluca Di Marzio don come outside. They let us know say he don advise Karim Adeyemi say if you wan join any club you get, say make him go join Arsenal. Say Arsenal go make sense for am instead of Barcelona. Say Arsenal get the style of play wey go favour am, and EPL is a more attractive place to go to ahead of La Liga. They just talk plenty because Adeyemi dey likely to leave Red Bull Salzburg for January, and the guy dey look for where he go. Arsenal sef need reinforcement, so the guy sef will be a good addition to our team. Well, everything in January we'll see how everything will be. At the same time, Edu Gaspar will be our technical director. Don't come as I call it talk say he don't reason as a Wenger. You know, so they don't talk plenty things for social media. Say make Arteta reason as a Wenger. Say make him come join Arsenal. Say go like make him come closer to home. So Edu Gaspar sef come confirm the story. Say he gone personally. He don't reason as a Wenger. Say Baba come join Arsenal board of directors. You get, because you say presently now Wenger na chief of global football clinical for FIFA. So now what thing they do there? So the reason say come Arsenal join the board of directors so that go fit dey direct the way things they go. So e dey left for Arsene Wenger to come join us, because anything wey go make Wenger come join us, that means he gats resign in position for FIFA, and I don't know that it go make sense like that for him. Well, na Wenger hand the day, put the watch as everything go turn out. Kevin Campbell don come outside for media set. He come dey talk about Pepe, come dey give Pepe warning. You get, come dey tell Pepe say, see, for your situation is very bad. The situation wey be say 2 academy players, academy products for Arsenal wey come dey ahead of you in the pecking order, come dey play very well. How you go take enter come displace these guys? E no possible. So he advise you say make people try to define square root right now. Tell your agents make dem go look for people who come hire you. I don't know. Even Mikel Arteta sef don come outside say Pepe is not going anywhere. So I never know how everything will solve, because if na me be Pepe as I dey like this now, I have to find my square root too, because before Pepe go see first team shirt, unless maybe we don qualify for Europe, plenty games come dey. But as things stand now, this guy go just dey kill career for Arsenal window, because he just be surplus to requirements. On my Monday official say Man U don announce Ralf Rangnick as their coach. But the kasala wey dey for this matter be say the guy work permit never dey ready. So you know say Arsenal and Man U go play on Thursday. So we never know whether the work permits go don dey ready by then. But if you never dey ready, Carrick go still continue. Then maybe at their next match, Naira Rafragni go dey. And another things we come dey because I come dey do research about this guy. I come notice say you see Bayern Munich coach Hassan Hotel with all this wetin dem dey call am Tuchel of Chelsea. Even Klopp, all these guys na Rafragni be their mentor. The guy just look small, na old man, like 60 something, na old man he be o. You no go even believe say Tuchel of Chelsea play under Rafragni when I dey for ULM for second division. I think na German second division. He played under Rafragni, so all of them na then they lose the guy as their mentor because the guy now be the first person wey bring about the pressing football for the footballing history, like the way they take the press without the ball. Na the guy na first started. They call am gen press in that time for German football 20 years ago. Now this guy starts that thing. So now everybody come dey emulate and they put their own style. Klopp get his own style, Liverpool they put his own, Chelsea sef get their own, Bayern get their own. You get so him now they come from Man U now, and if he come, he go come bring all those things because he's the professor of football. The guy get great pedigree. Me I don't do the guy research. I no even want make him play against us, make him coach anybody against us. But they just chill, make they never do the work permit. After Man U don play because Man U don dey come back. Shebi na wetin I talk before say. Time they come say this Man U will be shit packer, they will still come back. Even though conspiracy theory dey say all those players they know wetin they do, say they play rubbish so that they go sack Ole. Okay, why they no dey lose for Champions League? Why be say na only league they just dey lose? Say they know wetin they do, they don sack the guy don go. Now Rafragni don come, even though na interim. But the year say if he perform very well for this interim 6 months, they fit make am a full-time manager. You get well. We dey watch as everything go turn out. Get another thing where they threaten football in the global football community, and this thing na this Omicron. This one na the coronavirus new variant where they disturb people. E dey for South Africa, e dey for Belgium, and I don dey hear say we don dey enter England. You get this Omicron is very very deadly. Even though we don collect vaccine, they talk say this one now the vaccine no go fight against am. Say it's very very deadly and it's killing people. And from what we dey hear be say they fit come dey postpone some matches now. They fit come talk say okay, another lockdown go happen again. Well, we never know how to go turn out because they say the vaccines wey dey available now no fit even fight this Omicron. Well, we dey watch as everything dey sup. If updates dey come around, I go dey let una dey know. Charlie Watts, will be one of our monitoring spirits, and Arsenal journalists and Goal.com journalists don't come outside. They let us know say Bukayo Saka na great injury doubt against Manchester United. Say that's what we do the guys. Say if he cannot play against Man U, but we never know whether the physios will talk say okay, we've given you a green light to go ahead, go and play. We never really know. But for me, as I make an ask una, a 70% fit Saka and the 100% fit Martinelli, who una go choose? E go better even if Saka no dey fit, make him still dey for Benjamin, dey recuperate instead of us to come throw am inside, make him go aggravate the injury, come go stay months out. We no dey that desperate. Martinelli can stay ahead of him. Abi, wetin una think? Make una let me know now. Chris Sutton, wey be one of our super pundits, don come outside come dey give a prediction for where people go end up at the end of the season for table. So Baba come talk say for Arsenal, say they say Arsenal ending up 5th. Say Man U will end up for 4th. Say they see 5th because the journey is still long. You get. Say Arsenal fit no get the strength and everything to keep up, though it is dependent on January transfer window. You get the kind of people Arsenal go buy for January. Top 4 no go far again. You get. But we still want continue from what we get. Top 4 go far. Make I do like 5 7 go far. You get. Because we don't end 8th place like back to back. So now January be a very big determinant. We will sign like maybe like Isaac now. I'm not calling Isaac. But that's some kind maybe the Jan Kulusevski or no alarm. Direct players. Karim Adeyemi. That January that will determine a lot of things. I can't wait for us to get to January. At the same time, Daily Star, one of our monitoring spirits, don't come outside. They let us know say Raheem Sterling representatives don't reason Manchester City. Let them know say we want our clients to go out on loan in January to get more game time. You get. And for your information, Sterling no go increase in contract. No go extend in contract. It's supposed to expire 2023. It will expire because Pep Guardiola dey use that thing dey hold the guy ransom, say if you no ex ten d contract I no go give you game time. You get, they wan make him ex ten d, but the guy say he no wan ex ten d because Phil Foden don be first team 11 players. If na Benjamin him be, after dem buy Jack Grealish £100 million and Benjamin him dey, and him know say him gats go play for somebody if he want a realistic chance of playing at the World Cup next year. So that is why him dey keen to move, and him final destination, the attractive destination, na Arsenal e be. That is why me I dey very happy say the guy don come outside with him lawyers and him agents, let dem know say omo we wan move, we no talk say make dem sell us on loan. I wan play na, because Gareth Southgate fit wake up now say omo I want to select players not based on say your name, your past glory, but based on merits, those that have played. That's what I want to select, and dem do am like that. Still you no go see anything. They just dey pick am on past glory, say the boy is good, the boy is good. So my own happiness be say come January a lot of things go clear. You know say now things just dey force the one kind, but January be say transfer window go dey open, many things go dey clearer. We go dey see who we dey go for, who we no dey go for. By then I go dey let you know as dey sup. So my dear football lovers, now you come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow I'll come again, come give you a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we see our program, don't forget to like our posts, share our videos, follow us, and support us. I see our bell notification icon waiting there. Toggle am so that when next we drop videos, YouTube and Facebook will notify you so we don't drop am. Thank you for always supporting us. God bless you and have a nice day.